Ethan was son of Edwin was and Linda Fernandez, who is with us. The achievement has been really spectacular. Being Grandmaster at the age of 14, currently India's youngest Grandmaster, and the journey to becoming Grandmaster has not been an easy task. Now it is not a first time that we are felicitating Ethan. We had seen the promise in this boy, the potential in this boy for a couple of years. A group of friends have on different occasions felicitated him for his achievements, some of which have been in the Commonwealth Games, at the Asian level, and of course at the national level. But the dream of everyone, including his parents and his well-wishers, was that he should become Grandmaster. And that finally was clinched recently in Serbia, where he participated. And today is a great honor for each one of us, group of friends, citizens for democracy, his well-wishers, the state of Goa and the nation. The Chief Minister had recently felicitated him, but still the message has to go loud and clear that this sporting personality has a bright future, provided support pours in. Support must come. It's not been easy for him, resources-wise, to walk this journey. His parents know how difficult it has been. From the government side, support comes or doesn't come. But if it comes after you win something. But in the process, hardly any people take notice. The process is more difficult. So that is where I would personally say to the Goans at large in Goa, our diaspora, that they should look to supporting him, and one day we look forward to see him as the world champion.
Has no set path. Okay? There are lakhs of chess players who try to become Grandmaster, and most of whom are never able to accomplish the goal. So that is, something that many people don't understand the level of this achievement. So in fact, there are a few steps towards this journey, like the International Chess Federation, what is called FIDE, assigns these titles to chess players based on their level of play. And there's a huge effort that goes into each level. It starts with Candidate Master, then FIDE Master, then International Master, and eventually the Grandmaster. And Grandmaster is the highest title awarded by the International Chess Federation. Beyond that, there's no title. And as far as competitive chess is concerned, it is the World Championship that people aim for, which is not one of the titles that is given by International Chess Federation, because Grandmaster is the highest title. World Championship is the ultimate goal in competitive chess, and that is what Ethan is going to aim and strive for going forward.
आम पळयता की लोकांक इतली फॅसिलिटी सुद्दां मेळटा, पयशे गव्हर्मेंटाचे बॅकिंग मेळटा, इंटरनॅशनल फंड्स मेळटा, तरी सुद्दां लोक त्या लेवलाचेर पावपाक शकनात, यंग भुरगे. एंड वॉट सपोर्ट ह्या भुरग्यांक आमचे मेळपाक जाय फ्रॉम द इंस्टिट्यूशन. द इंस्टिट्यूशन मीन्स द गव्हर्मेंट, द सरकार. So the Sarkar comes only when they come with accolades and medals on the airport, on the railway station to click photo ops. But I appeal to the government, because I remember during the time of Manohar Parrikar, he went and to break the rules also, to fund individual, persons with some 23-24 lakh rupees to go to Mount Everest and all. Good, he was our boy only, but it was not a sports event. He broke the rules. So we want leaders like him to support youngsters of Goa like Ethan, who have, as his father said, that Argentina, that youngest is called Messi, and India we mess up with the young talents. Understand? So The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of the dreams. Ethan believed in his dreams. His parents believed the dreams. His coach, especially Prakash Vikram Singh, coach, we are very grateful to him. He believed, and today the world believes in Ethan. So from this platform of Citizen for Democracy today, we make a promise that we will stand behind him as a pillar of strength, be it moral encouragement or be it mobilizing, financial assistance through crowdfunding. We will not let him down, and we will not let Goa down.
Citizens of democracy for felicitating me here, and I would like to thank every uncle and everyone who is supporting me in my chess journey, and I hope to continue and make Goa better.